Do you want soft, glowing, radiant skin without spending on expensive products? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a powerful DIY body oil that deep nourishing, brighten and leaving your skin glowing naturally. This oil made by carrots, orange peel, mandarin peel, lemon peel and Johnson baby oil. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay, my people, I have my dry carrot jam. All my ingredients I'm already dried, so I'm going to put inside my blender and blend it. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Let's move on. So guys, while I put my carrot inside, now I'm going to add my peels inside. So let's check and see the benefits of carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene and vitamin A that help to brighten dull skin and fair dark spots and bring out of the natural healthy glow. Carrots are also known for their anti-against benefit because they fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so if you have dark spots or your face, you have wrinkles in your face, you are using carrot oil, this oil is going to help you. So guys, we are going to blend this, as I said guys, because the magic things is coming the ending of the video, so you don't need to miss everything. At least you have to watch to the end, so that will make you, if you are going to make yours also, you may know what you are. Okay, my people, now after blending it, I'm going to take 3 tablespoons and put inside my bottle. Why I'm taking the 3 tablespoons, let's check and see lemon, the orange peel, also the benefit that is also having. Orange peel is full of vitamin C, which we all know that. Okay, is one of the most important vitamin for skin. Vitamin C is help to fight with free radicals, also improving skin texture. It leave your skin look more young, looking fresh, you know all the time. When you see your skin or people see you, they may even asking you what are you using, because your skin will still look young. Even your age can be aging, it can be getting old, but still your skin can be looking fresh and looking younger. So when you are using orange peel to your maybe your oils or your butters, if you are not doing that, then you have to stop buying heavy products. Just buy some simple things to make your skin look fresh and nice. So now after that, I put my 3 tablespoons inside. Now I'm adding my Johnson baby oil inside. Well, you can use coconut oil also to do this. Coconut oil also, because it's also moisturizing the skin, so it's also good for you to use. You can use that one also, but I'm not pouring all inside. Don't mind me guys. You when you are making yours, you can pour everything inside, or you can also leave some if you have some to use by that time. But if you don't have time, if you don't have some to use, sorry, if you don't have some for using, then maybe you also can do small. For that one, you be started using it, and the remaining one, you will see how I'm going to prepare it, so that the remaining one you can use it and do it the same way also. But let's continue. Okay, my people, let's check and see lemon peel also. Lemon peel is natural skin lighting property. It's also great for reducing hyperpigmentation, even out of skin tone. Guys, these things, if you are using it, you will come back here to thank me. If you are not using it, try to start using it. If you are using it and you are watching this video, please tell me, let me know how are you feeling, how your skin also feeling. Let me know in the comments below. So because lemon peel also help to keep your skin clean, okay, if your skin, to make your skin look more fresh and clean. So it's very recommendation to people or to everyone who is not using it, or who have dark spot, or you have dark in your body, some parties. This oil is good for you. Stop buying that heavy product and use the local that local ingredients, natural ingredients, no, sorry to say local ingredient, natural ingredients. Start using your natural ingredients to glow your own skin. Okay, so that is what we have. There are so many benefits that we, because these things, even if you check, there's a lot of benefit that it's having. This one I'm just, summarizing, putting it in that way for you guys to understand that what we are using, or what I'm using in my skin, whatever I'm using and is good for me, I would love to share it with others so that you also do what you also can benefit from it. Anyway guys, let's continue. Mandarin. Okay, so while I put it on fire like this, I will be staying it, but definitely I'm going to, after that also, I'm going to keep it for 12 hours. So after 12 hours later, we are going to come back. So why I'm doing like that, let us check and see mandarin peel also. Okay, my people, so now let's check and see mandarin also. Mandarin also is one of the ingredients that boosting skin and adding elastic and smoothing your skin. It's also improving overall looking, adding freshness to your skin and looking more younger. Guys, this thing, that's why because all is having the benefit. So if you combine these four ingredients together, you will come back here to thank me. Even if you are using it before, I said it, if you are using this thing, let me know in the comments below how your skin feeling, and you yourself, how are you feeling from your skin. VitaminE oil also is. So guys, I added VitaminE oil inside, so let us continue talking. Maybe that one I will come back later so that we'll talk about VitaminE oil, because after VitaminE oil also I added my Turkish oil. We call it snake oil, that is Yılan Yağı. Yılan Yağı means Turkish oil, they call it, that's Yılan Yağı, and English they call it snake oil. Okay, snake oil. So that oil I will explain to you people. So now I finished it, I'm going to offer my fire and leave it for 12 hours. So we'll come back tomorrow. By 12 hours later, we'll come back and strain it, and guys, you will see how this oil is going to look. Actually, if you start using it, I know you will not buy anything from market again. So after 12 hours guys, you can see I bring my oil. Look at the face, how brightening, how nice it's looking, right? So I bring my oil to strain it. So after straining it this way, what I'm going to add is, actually, maybe that one I'm going to tell you that it's not must, but for me, I like to add things inside who can give me more value about for what I'm using. So I'm adding my VitaminE oil. So VitaminE oil, you can add VitaminE oil, or if you have the capsule one, no problem. That one also you can do what, you can add it to your oil, or if you don't have it at all, no problem, don't worry, you can still apply it this way without adding. Me, I just want extracting, that's why I'm adding it inside. Okay, I added the VitaminE oil plus my snake oil also, which is Turkish, the traditional oil that I'm going to say, they call it Yılan Yağı. So I added, it's very good, it's also helping the skin to look more fresh and young, it's keeping your skin moisturized. So I added that oil also inside. Okay, so don't worry if you don't have it though, just this one alone, it's okay, just you apply this one like that. Okay, so this oil, how can you use it? Maybe when you finish taking your shower or your bath, so you just, as normal, how you are applying your normal cream, the same thing that you put inside your arms, put it in your body. You can massaging your body into gentle, especially the places that you need, that you have a problem. When I say problem, like there is a places that you have dark spots, those places, and just massaging it gentle into your skin. This thing is very, very nice. If you start using it and you are using it consistency, I know you will definitely going to thank me later. Even if you don't come to my videos to thank me in my in under of my videos, but definitely you will thank me in your house, you will say it in your house, because I know this thing is going to help you to bright or glow your skin. We have bleaching and we have glowing. This one is going to glow your skin and is very perfect for all skin type. You can use all the skin type, you can use it. It will glow your skin, it will make your skin look more fresh and young. if you are looking for a way also, not only for the dark spot people or something like that, if you are looking for a way to glow your skin, because there are so many people out there, they are looking for a way to glow their skin. Now I'm adding my vitamin E oil. They are looking for a way to glow their skin, but they don't know the product that they can use to glow their skin. There's a natural thing that you can use to glow your skin. So this is what I'm using myself, and this is the oil that I'm talking about. This is the snake oil. In Turkish we call it Yılan Yağı. So this one, the fragrance is very nice for the skin, it's very good for the body, and it's smelling very good also. So also, maybe if you just want to add more fragrance or to add any fragrance, then if you have perfume, I don't know, that's without chemicals, I don't know, but I would just prefer, because this one is just a traditional oil, is that, but it smells very nice. Okay, so and also it's helping the body to give your skin moisturize, so that's why I add it inside. So I don't know if you add your perfume inside, how is it going to be, I don't know. Maybe you can use it and tell me how it will look like. Now I'm going to pour it inside my bottle. Okay, so what I did is the remaining one of the oil, so I pour it inside. When I strain the oil, the remaining, I pour it inside there. So I'm going to keep that one aside until I finish this one. So I was thinking that I take that part video, not knowing that I saw Princess was doing something. I stopped the video, but I didn't remember to on it, so that's why maybe that part you didn't see it too. So after spraying this one, the remaining one, I didn't throw that carrot and those things away. I didn't throw it away. The remaining, the half of the Johnson baby oil, I pour it inside. So I'm going to keep it until we finish this one. When I finish this one, that's the time that I'm going to bring it and strain it. I'm using Johnson baby oil. You can use the same one, or you can use coconut oils. Some people also using coconut oil, but this one, I know coconut oil sometimes, I don't know. This one is very good, and it's perfect for me, you know. Coconut oil also, I'm using that one also making my carrot oils, but mostly those one I'm using to do my scalp, you know, massage my scalp or massage my daughter's scalp. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.